Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a durable cardboard sword. Start by selecting sturdy corrugated cardboard and gathering tape, glue, a ruler, and a cutting mat. Sketch your blade and handle on cardboard, keeping edges smooth for safety. Layer and glue multiple cardboard sheets for thickness and insert a dowel for a rigid core. Finish with tape wrapping and optional paint for durability and visual flair. Begin cutting with a sharp blade and steady pressure to avoid jagged edges and wasted material. Cut multiple identical layers and trim them precisely so gluing yields uniform thickness and strength. When shaping the blade, remove small amounts at a time to maintain integrity and prevent tears. Round the tip and edges for safety, then reinforce stress points with extra tape or glued strips so the sword withstands play. For maximum durability, glue all cardboard layers thoroughly and allow full curing before handling to prevent delamination. Add a wooden dowel through the center or along the spine, glued in place, to create a rigid core that resists bending and snapping. Reinforce the handle with tape and fabric wraps to improve grip and absorb shock. Test balance and adjust weight distribution with small glued pads until the sword.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.